sent this outdoor sconce light in exchange for this video. So this is what it looks like out of the box. And then we also have the screws and the parts to put this in our wall. This is IPX54 waterproof. It does have a motion sensor too. So LED light with 13 watts, 750 LM. 3000K light. So this is heat and frost resistant as well. Also storm and snowproof. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed and see what it's going to look like in the day and also at night when it turns on. And we now have the light installed. This is what it looks like in the daytime. So we're gonna come back and check this out this evening once it turns on, because it's one of those dusk till dawn sensor lights. So let's check back in a while and see how it's going to look. And here's what the light looks like at night. It turned on perfectly as soon as it got to be dusk. And it provides such a nice glow as well. And I like that it doesn't have like a traditional bulb hanging down. It looks very clean and neat this way.